In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your TradingView account and get familiar with the dashboard. TradingView is a powerful platform used by traders and investors worldwide to analyze financial markets. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your trading skills, mastering TradingView can be a huge advantage. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to create your TradingView account. Visit the TradingView website and look for the Sign Up option. You can choose to sign up using your email address or through social media accounts like Google or Facebook for convenience. Once you've registered, log into your new account and ta-da, you're in. You're probably seeing an interface filled with tools, graphs, and menus. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first, we'll break it down together. Now, let's explore how to navigate the charts. The charts are the heart of TradingView, allowing you to visualize market data over different periods. To change timeframes, simply look for the time frame menu, which typically allows you to view data from minutes to months. Toggle between these timeframes to get either a granular or broader market perspective. You can also switch chart types, like from a candlestick to a line graph, by clicking on the chart style icon. If you're interested in different assets, use the search bar to swiftly switch between various stocks, forex pairs, or cryptocurrencies. Next, let's add some indicators and drawing tools. Indicators like moving averages or RSI can offer valuable insights into market trends. Click on the Indicators button to browse through a vast library of tools. You can also use drawing tools to add trend lines or shapes directly onto your chart. This can help identify support and resistance levels. Simply click on the Drawing Tools menu to select options like lines, shapes, or even plain text. Plus, comparing symbols is a breeze. Click on the Compare button and type in any asset you wish to lay on top of your current chart. Don't forget to set up alerts. Alerts are crucial as they notify you of key price movements, so you don't have to be glued to your screen all day. Just select an alert from the menu and customize your conditions. Set triggers based on price levels, indicator values, or even custom criteria to ensure you never miss an opportunity. Customizing your chart is a great way to suit the layout to your preferences, change colors, themes, and save templates for consistent use. Look for the settings icon on your chart to access a variety of visual customization options, helping make the experience uniquely yours. For effective management, utilize watch lists and screeners. These tools allow you to monitor multiple assets and filter them based on specific criteria. And if you're new to trading, paper trading offers a risk-free way to practice before putting real money on the line. Toggle to paper trading mode and start testing out strategies confidently. Finally, let's wrap up with some best tips and common mistakes to avoid. Always double-check your analysis for accuracy, and don't overly rely on just one tool or indicator. Diversification in analysis enhances decision-making. Avoid the common mistake of neglecting risk management. Always have a clear plan and strategy in place. With these tools and tips, you'll be navigating TradingView like a pro in no time. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.